Hi there. Do not hesitate for a minute to make a pork tenderloin in the air fryer. You are not going to regret it. We're also going to roast up some potatoes at the same time. The air fryer that I am using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. I have a 2-pack of boneless pork tenderloin. I'm only going to cook one of these up today. My husband Jim has been bugging me for a while to make him some breaded pork tenderloins. So that's what I'm going to be doing with the other one. And I saw this marinade at the grocery store. I thought I would give it a try. I think this is the second time I've ever bought a store-bought marinade. This looked pretty good to me. It's the Lawry Steak and Chop with garlic and cracked black pepper. All right, I have one of the pork tenderloins out of the package. There was just a little bit of silver skin on this one. I just went ahead and pulled that off. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this pork tenderloin in half. I'm going to place these tenderloins in a gallon Ziploc bag. Now I'm going to take our marinade and just pour that straight in. I just used a little bit more than half of the bottle of marinade. I'm going to go pop this in the fridge now, probably for an hour, even though it says a 30-minute marinade. I'm just going to let it go for a little longer than that. All right, let's get our potatoes ready. I'm going to be using the Terrific Trio, the Little Potato Company. I'm using just a little bit more than half of a bag. This is a 1.5 pound bag. These smaller potatoes, I'm just going to cut in half, and a few of the bigger ones here, I'm probably going to quarter. I actually just went ahead and used the whole bag of potatoes. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Give this a quick mix. You can season these however you want. I have a teaspoon of kosher salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to add some black pepper. Get this all mixed well. I have the pork tenderloins in the air fryer basket. I'm going to add our potatoes. Honestly, I don't know if I can put the whole 1.5 pounds of these potatoes in here. Go ahead and add these over here. What do you all think? Should we go for it? You know what? I'm going to be a chicken. That's all the potatoes I am going to add. This is what I have left. I'll just make these up later. Okay, let's go pop these in the air fryer. So I have this set for 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. 15 minutes in, I'm going to flip them tenderloins over. We are 15 minutes in. I'm going to turn over these pork tenderloins. It smells mighty good in here. The internal temperature for pork should be at least 145 to be safe. I'm going to shoot around 150 to 160 for my personal preference. And I am going to take a quick temp on these just to see where we are at. Well, we are at 145. Move these potatoes around a bit. Okay, I'm going to pop this in. Okay, I actually went just another 5 minutes, so this is 20 minutes total. Let's see. And we are at 156. So I'm taking these out. This is where I prefer it. If you want them cooked longer, just do it a little longer. If you don't have a digital thermometer, invest in one. It's for your safety. Also, it will save you some headaches down the road. By the way, potatoes are also done, so we are good to go. I'm going to take these tenderloins out, let them rest a little bit before I cut into them. Okay, I have one of the tenderloins sliced up. This is so tender, I can tell you that already. See them juices. Oh. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so tender. I am so amazed. Grab one of these potatoes. They are delicious also. Definitely give this a try sometime. I love my air fryer. If you're interested in that breaded pork tenderloin I was telling you about, you can check it out here. The video below that is whatever YouTube thinks you would like to watch next. Could be the same video. I have no idea. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.